English reading: ace, base, base, case, taste, face, lace, lace, mace, pace, race, vase, brace, chase, grace, place, place, space, thrace, trace, waste, nace, face, phase, praise, laze, vase, blase, blase. Letter A sounds A. Letters ACE sounds ace. Letters BASS sounds base. But PASS, pass. VASE, vase. TH, thrace, thrace. THRACE, thrace. When we see two letters TH, we put our tongue between our teeth and pronounce th. Letters PH sound F. PHASE, phase. CH, ch. Letter CH sounds ch. Chase. Letter E is silent in this word. It is written but not pronounced.